Bote, marhaba,
Hola.
bona, assalamu alaikum,
Ciao.
hello, bonjour.
I wish for baby Lily.
Guten Tag, konnichiwa, cześć,
Привет.
hello, Johnny.
I wished for baby Lily.
Annyeonghaseyo, namaste,
Dzień dobry.
iPhone, ni hao,
Hello, I'm a person of Rochdale. I'm a citizen of Rochdale. I am a citizen of Rochdale. I wish for baby Lily. I wish for baby Lily. Dear adults, even though we are little, you should listen to us because we have big ideas.
Even though we are small, we still have mighty in us. Please listen to our voices.
I love where I live because of all the fields, trees, lakes and hills that are on my doorstep.
I love where I live because of the greenery around the town and the lake.
I love Rochdale and all its green spaces.
Have you seen the beautiful ukulele man with his guitar?
I love where I go to school because I have loving friends that have my back. My football team, my house, my school, and my friends.
The majestic skies and the town hall.
Dear Rochdale,
Dear adults, do you want to change the world?
Well, here's some perfect ideas.
be kind to the environment.
Take care of nature.
Plant more trees.
I wish for baby Lily to live in a world where there's less air pollution.
Dear Rochdale,
The world can be a better place if humans will stop throwing plastic in the ocean.
If you keep cutting trees, then there's gonna be no oxygen left in the world.
I wish for us to live in a world where we can go into the nature and not worry about climate change or our favourite animals becoming extinct.
More solar panels are used.
A world with electric flying cars.
Reuse, reduce, recycle. Reuse, reduce, recycle.
Dear adults, we only have one Earth. A beautiful world, a world full of kindness.
Kind of people.
Kindness exists
Now and in the future.
A world where nobody is perfect and everybody is unique their own way.
A world with flowers and trees everywhere.
buzzards, foxes and other animals.
I think there should be more flowers for the bees.
More animals. Animals should be free.
We can have a better world for insects and all of us. More exotic and rare flowers. I would like to have more plants in the world because they are beautiful. Dear Rochdale,
I always want Lily to have a better life than me. I already have a good life, but I want Lily to have the best life she could have. I want her to be smiling every day.
I want baby Lily to grow strong. I want baby Lily to live in a happy and safe place where she can be loved and have a great job and live her life.
A world with no poverty.
A world of peace and hope.
Peace.
Nature and peace.
Peace on earth.
Where everyone respects her and she feels safe and welcome. In a world that's just, everyone is treated equally.
That's the world that I want baby Lily to live in.
A beautiful world.
A world of wonder.
Joy in the world.
In a happy world. A beautiful world.
A world of wonder.
Joy in the world.
A happy world.
Dear Rochdale,
Dear adults,
for the baby Lily to have a better future, we should stop littering and we should stop wars.
No littering.
No littering.
No litter.
No littering.
No fighting.
No fighting.
No violence.
a world with no crimes.
I think we're here in this city.
World peace.
No wars. Stop wars. No wars.
No wars.
A world with no war.
To be kind to each others as we want them to be kind to us.
Have fun with your life. Try and follow your dreams. If you want to do something, try it. If you're scared, just try it. Dear Rochdale,
Dear adults,
I wished for baby Lily. We want more children to be comfortable.
keep safe.
a safe and clean environment.
I would love to have lots of peaceful resting places for people who stress a lot. I would love more quiet places to chill or read or just talk.
A loving home.
Have fun.
I would love more parks and lakes.
More youth clubs.
Places to make friends and socialise.
People take good care of the community.
Dear adults, please can you be a good example for the baby?
Can you please make time for your child?
Please don't spend so much time on your phone.
Please console your child when they are sad and all alone.
Dear Rochdale,
Dear adults,
No smoking. Pick up your litter. Be wise. Be wise.
I hope baby Lily has an amazing life.
Dear Rochdale.
A beautiful world.
Dear adults.
A world of wonder.
Dear adults,
A beautiful world.
dear
A
adults,
world of wonder.
an amazing life.
A beautiful world.
Dear Rochdale.
Joy in the world.
In a happy world.
Dear adults,
A beautiful world.
A world of wonder.
an amazing life.
I want everyone to have a happy life. Have a happy life. Have a happy life.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you for listening.
Goodbye.
Au revoir.
Adios.
Goodbye.
Hafiz.
Arrivederci.
Auf Wiedersehen. Baka.
Ciao. Dobronych. I really hope you enjoy your visit.
Goodbye.